Hello guys, this is how to disassemble the Seagate expansion drive. Okay, this is a model of 3 terabytes and this is the tools that I will have to use. This is a sponge. Okay, this is to play guitar. Yes, it's very useful to disassemble. This is an iPod Pro 2. This is very useful, and this is other tools also. Okay, first thing is to disassemble the front part. Okay, for this I will use this too. Okay, you have to apply not so much pressure because you can break the. Okay, so when you disassemble this part, okay, it's now to disassemble the side, and here you just do this. Okay, and you see that will automatically go disassembling. Again, not so much pressure to avoid breaking the. Okay, so here without breaking nothing, still nice. Okay, this part is just to pull up this. Okay. And okay, you have to be very careful because this is very easy to break, very easy to break. Okay, okay, so now just pull up and it's done. So you have 4 screws to screw off in the side. Okay. Okay. Now it's free to disassemble it. This is a trick here because you just have to slide. For this, you put your finger here and apply some pressure, and okay. So very easy. I hope it help you to disassemble your Seagate. Okay, and that's it.